Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we continue uncovering the unique qualities of Alaskan wild salmon, from sustainable fishing practices to the nutrients that make it a superfood. Fisheries in Alaska rely heavily on science to stay healthy. Biologists and researchers work together to collect detailed data on fish populations. They track things like salmon returns, fish size and age, environmental conditions. This information helps managers set specific catch limits. These limits aren't just guesses, they are carefully calculated to make sure enough fish escape to reproduce and keep the population strong. It's a bit like managing a bank account. You only spend what you earn, ensuring you always have principal. Strict regulations and monitoring. Alaska has incredibly strict rules to protect its salmon. These rules cover many aspects of fishing. For example, there are gear restrictions, time restrictions, area closures. On top of these rules, continuous monitoring takes place. State and federal agencies have people on the ground and in the air watching fishing vessels. Observers might even be on board commercial fishing boats to ensure compliance. This close watch helps prevent illegal fishing and ensures everyone follows the rules, which keeps the fish populations thriving. Certification and traceability. When you see Alaskan salmon, you often find it comes with important certifications. The Marine Stewardship Council Blue Label, for instance, confirms that the salmon was caught sustainably. This means an independent group has checked that the fishery meets high standards for environmental health and responsible management. Traceability is also a big deal. You can often find out exactly where your salmon came from. This tracking means the fish was legally caught. It came from a well-managed fishery. You are supporting sustainable practices. This level of transparency builds trust. It shows that Alaskan wild salmon is not just delicious, but also a responsible choice for our planet. The nutritional powerhouse, health benefits of Alaskan wild salmon. Beyond its delicious taste and sustainable sourcing, Alaskan wild salmon is a true nutritional powerhouse. Adding it to your diet brings a wealth of health benefits. This fish is packed with essential nutrients that support your body in many ways. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Alaskan wild salmon is famous for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats your body cannot make on its own. The two main types found in salmon are EPA and DHA. They play critical roles in various bodily functions. Here is how EPA and DHA support your health. Heart health, brain function, reducing inflammation. Including salmon in your meals regularly provides your body with these vital fats. High-quality protein source. Alaskan wild salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Your body needs protein for many functions. It builds and repairs tissues. It also makes enzymes and hormones. Here's why salmon's protein is beneficial. Muscle repair and growth. Overall satiety. Energy production. Adding salmon to your plate is a simple way to boost your protein intake. Vitamins and minerals galore. Alaskan wild salmon offers more than just omega-3s and protein. It is also loaded with important vitamins and minerals. These nutrients work together to support your overall health. Here are some of the key vitamins and minerals in salmon. Vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, astaxanthin. Eating Alaskan wild salmon helps you get a wide range of essential nutrients. It is a smart choice for a balanced and healthy diet. Mastering Alaskan wild salmon, buying, storing, and cooking for optimal flavor. Getting the most out of your Alaskan wild salmon means knowing how to select it, store it properly, and cook it to perfection. These steps are simple but make a big difference in both taste and texture. Let's explore how to bring out the best in this amazing fish. Tips for selecting fresh salmon. Choosing fresh salmon at the store is key to a delicious meal. You want to look for specific signs that tell you the fish is top quality. Trust your senses. Here is what to look for. Appearance, smell, texture, proper storage techniques. Once you bring your fresh Alaskan wild salmon home, proper storage is essential to keep it delicious and safe. Incorrect storage can quickly degrade its quality. Follow these simple storage guidelines. Refrigeration, freezing. Best cooking methods for each species. Different Alaskan wild salmon species shine with different cooking methods. Their unique fat content and texture respond best to specific preparations. Matching the method to the species ensures the tastiest results. Consider these recommendations for each type. King salmon, Sockeye salmon, Coho salmon, pink salmon, chum salmon. Alaskan wild salmon stands alone as a truly special food. It offers unmatched flavor, nurtured in pure, cold waters. Every step, from its unique life cycle to strict fishing rules, shows a deep commitment to keeping our oceans healthy. This means that when you choose Alaskan salmon, you are getting a top-quality meal. You also support practices that protect this amazing natural resource for years to come. Enjoy the rich taste and powerful health benefits of Alaskan wild salmon. It is a choice that feels good and does good. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.